Hello guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're back on the Ford Focus Estate. I'm actually in the middle of doing the AC condenser, which is just behind that box. But in this video we are going to be replacing the wiper blades on the 2015 Ford Focus Estate with some new Bosch wipers. Stay tuned. So this should be pretty straightforward. I've not done this before, but I can already see there's a notch here and a notch there. Normally when I see this, it's just a simple case, lift up the wiper, never leave go of the wiper. It's okay at the moment. Once you take this blade out, don't leave go of this, because if you do, you're gonna shatter your glass, because this is metal. So metal with a spring on glass is not good. So I'm guessing we need to push that button in, at the same time pull this up. As you can see, these have seen better days. I think the passenger side is worse, but yeah, this one's shot. I went with Bosch. You can go with whatever you want to go with. I used to always get the cheap ones, and then maybe 10 years ago or so, I got sick of changing them every other year, and I got some Bosch ones, and they just last. You put them on, and really, I never really needed to worry about them. Maybe I've just been lucky. But yeah, quite nice blades. Got the branding on. Obviously you want the Bosch facing downwards. Are these the same length? Yeah, they look to be the same length. And if we orient them so the logo is the same way, so you can see there's a notch. So these are obviously keyed. I'm guessing. Oh, sorry. The logo's not the right way around. So if I put the logo the right way around, oh, they're not keyed. So I'm guessing this is left, because the Bosch is that way, and this must be the right. So the logos are going to meet in the center. So this should be quite easy. Just going to put that there, just in case something was to happen. And you quite simply, like I say, push this notch at the top and then slide it out. So then get your new one, and I think you should just be able to slide it in. There you go, like so. People who panic, I guess you've put them in the wrong place, which one goes first, because obviously these wipers open like so. But I think Ford detects when you've messed about with the wipers, and then when you start the car, it puts them both up and then recalibrates itself. So that one is junk. Yeah, this one's pretty bad. Push the button in, pull it out, and then we just one's a bit fiddly. I think it's that button at the top. There you go. Didn't click, but it's in. And that is it. So I think we can say that's an improvement from that. So ignition on, and if we just give a bit of a spray. And there you go guys, simple as that. It's nice to see the windows actually being cleaned, because I just bought the car, and as soon as I tried to use the wipers in the rain, it was pretty scary. So that's it guys, nice and simple. Nice, easy 2-minute job, something you can definitely do yourself. You do not have to go to a garage to get these done. So I think I need to clean the inside of my windows, because there's a lot of muck and dirt inside there, so that's something I might do next. But for the time being guys, we're going to end this one here. So like always, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.